The copy value labels procedure is useful during the data preparation stage for analysis. It allows you to assign labels to variable values based on the values or labels of another variable. For example, it can be used after recoding a variable into another variable. In the dataset, there is a variable VO412, which stores information on how respondents rated the material situation of their household. The possible responses on a scale from 1 to 5 were described as follows: 1 bad, 2 rather bad, 3 neither good nor bad, 4 rather good, and 5 good. We have recoded the variable V412 into a new variable called rating, which takes values from 1 to 3. The first category of the new variable indicates people who rated their situation as bad or rather bad. The second category includes those who rated their situation as neutral, and the third category includes those who declared that their situation is rather good or good. These values, as we look at the data, do not have labels. To automatically introduce labels, we will use the Copy Value Labels procedure. Go to the Predictive Solutions menu, then Data, and select Copy Value Labels. In the Input Variable field, enter the variable V412, and in the Output Variable field, enter the variable rating. Next, we need to specify whether the labels should be created based on the source variable's labels or values. We want to create them based on labels. Below, there are two more options: Apply to Data, which is checked by default, and Create Syntax. The first option applies the selected changes to the data. The second option allows generating a syntax command in the syntax window. Let's go to the Options window. The first section, Output Variable, determines what the procedure should do if the target variable already has labels. The default option is Stop the procedure. Other options can overwrite existing labels, add new labels, but keep existing ones, and the last option is to merge new and existing labels. In the Inconsistent Label section, we can decide how the procedure should behave if there is more than one label for the same value in the target variable. For valid values, set the option to Merge Labels. This means that if there is more than one label in the source variable for the same value in the target variable, the labels will be combined and separated by a semicolon. For missing values, leave the default option. Ignore duplicates. Next, click OK and OK. As a result of the procedure, the variable rating has obtained labels, which we can see in the dataset.